not thank Dollar Tree for Coffee Bistro, but I am telling you some of these are so good, and I have a hack.
Luxury genius upgrades on a budget to completely transform your space. Fast, cheap, and actually beautiful. Just trust me.
One of the #1 things to thrift are TV armoires. I've seen them in tons of thrift stores near me, and most of them are priced really affordably.
Items like these are true hidden gems because people are practically giving these away. I found a ton for free on Facebook Marketplace. And I want to show you today how to turn one into a high-end custom organization piece. If you've got a small space or you do not have a lot of extra storage, you are really gonna love this video. An old TV hutch or cabinet can be a luxury custom bistro. Here's the inspiration pictures, and I wanna do this using mostly Dollar Tree products, like super affordable finds. This video is gonna be layers of all the good stuff, but it's actually gonna be attainable. I promise you, absolutely no skill required.
This is the cabinet that I got off Facebook Marketplace. I got a super good deal on it, but what's even cooler is if you cannot find something cool in store, I'm gonna link down below this exact version. It originally came from Walmart and it is on sale. So if you're looking to do something like this at your house, I hope you love it as much as me. We have lots of room to create a DIY bistro, and we're gonna soup this up using all Dollar Tree finds. So we gotta head to the store.
Dollar Tree nails it, especially when it comes to the drink selection. But before we get to all of the fun accoutrements, we've got to hit the big stuff.
In any amazing storage piece, what makes it awesome is custom lighting, and you can get that from Dollar Tree. This is the iConcepts brand. I have used this in so many projects. These are $5 a piece.
And they're about the same price on Amazon with great reviews. And if you're ever in a custom showroom and you open up the drawers and the cabinetry, it will have lighting on the inside. You can replicate this on a Dollar Tree budget. Mini lamps are totally trending now too.
Now this lamp I have used on my dining room table. They are incredible, and I think this would look really cool inside of a bistro too, and we can do this super affordably.
This mini lamp gets high marks from Catherine, okay? You can use it right out of the box. All you have to do is add batteries, and it is a touch top. And the lighting comes in multiple settings, and it gives such a beautiful, luxurious glow. So lighting, and now we've got to talk wallpaper. Now, I love Dollar Tree's wallpaper. I also love Amazon's wallpaper because it's at Dollar Tree prices. Just 99 cents a square foot.
I'm so excited for them to come out with some new designs because they've had these for a few years now. But some of my favorites for the inside and back of cabinets are the following. This one looks the classiest and the highest end of the bunch. Very chinoiserie, the newest pattern of the bunch.
Whatever you choose, we're gonna add this to the back of the cabinet, and I'll share with you my trick to making it easy because y'all asked.
I'm also gonna grab some Dollar Tree frames. We can put this in the back of our little mini bistro. This is gonna look super cool. Dollar Tree keeps bringing back brand new shelf liner, and I really like this one. It has a really pretty floral motif, and I think it's gonna look awesome for our purposes. Jenga, Jenga, woo! I also really like the LA's Totally Awesome multi-purpose cleaner. This is a naturally occurring and eco-friendly cleaner that I really like, and we're gonna use it to clean up our piece.
I just don't want you to be disappointed, okay? This natural cleaner from LA's Totally Awesome, I've now used a lot in my kitchen, around my house for cleaning furniture. It is fantastic. So now we're gonna luxury up this piece like the drawers. I took these LED rechargeable lights, they're motion activated. So now when I open up the drawer, put my hand inside, I'll be able to see everything. And this shelf liner is Magic Cover brand. One piece perfectly fit inside of the drawer. I love this pattern as well. Let me know what you think. It's these little items that make all the difference. So now onto our wallpaper. This is the print that I chose. And I have read a lot of comments from you saying that installing peel and stick wallpaper is just so hard. Like it makes you go crazy and you want to curse your brain out, okay? If that describes you, you're not alone. This is a no judgment zone. So what I have found is Easy Hang, which is a peel and stick wallpaper helper. Spray it directly on the wall and it will give the peel and stick wallpaper as you apply it a little bit of wiggle room. So when you put it on, it will kind of slide on the surface so you can get an exact right fit. This apparently is my wallpaper spray face. I had no idea I look like that. But the point is, I mean, I was really happy about this. It made it so much easier. I always cut it down with an X-Acto. By the time I got to the bottom, it was smooth sailing. Anyway, if you ever do peel and stick or you're a renter, try it out.
Very fun.
Look at our amazing piece. We've got custom lighting in there, and it's really coming along next to our inspiration, hey? The only tool required for this project was a power drill and a paddle bit, so I could put a larger hole through the back panel. That way I could add in the microwave as well as the coffee maker. I put a bit of painter's tape around it so it wouldn't destroy the wallpaper. This was a simple ad. I was so happy with how it was coming along. And since this is a coffee bistro, making coffee can be pretty messy. So I went ahead and I added down a waterproof pad to the bottom to protect the wood. To the top of the cabinet, I added these gold hooks. These were just a couple of dollars a piece from Amazon. You could also use dowel rods and S-hooks, lots of options here, but this one looked really great. And then I added in some more of that custom lighting in the top part of the cabinet. But this is a Dollar Tree video, so I'm going to take you back to store and share with you some brand new finds and more organization.
I have a hack, but first, these containers are awesome. What I like about them is they are $3 a piece, and these will go really great inside of drawers. This is one of my favorite finds that's going to look really high end on a budget. And we're going to go to the glass section because there is a super cool trick. Come here. I really like the Irish coffee mugs. I have used these over the years and absolutely love them. We're gonna add a few of these. Also, their little sugar containers are fantastic. I'm gonna grab this, and they have these vinegar jars. Now, what I really like about this is it has this little spout top, so that way these are going to be airtight, and you can put all of your coffee syrups on these and just change out the label.
I added a chalk label to mine, and then I got these pour spout adapters for just a couple of dollars each on Amazon, and you can add this right to your bottles for a more custom and elegant look. I found some really affordable coffee syrups on mega clearance at my grocery store and added them to the pretty bottles. These are already food safe, which is great, and I love that the Dollar Tree bottles can perfectly adapt to something a little more luxury. The sugar dispensers are really beautiful too, and you can get really quality sugar from the Dollar Tree. And another quality item are these brand new containers with the crystal knobs. They are literally the perfect size for ground coffee. Just make sure to store in a cool and dry place. I just added my coffee grounds right to this so I could put it into my bistro. There's lots of great products at Dollar Tree to buy, and there's also some to avoid. I really don't like to get my coffee at Dollar Tree. You end up actually overpaying for it. I prefer to get a quality item from my grocery store that's actually on sale.
Here in DoItOnADime, I tell you things to avoid too. The coffee creamer is non-dairy and gluten-free, but a lot of reviewers say that it tastes like soap. I think a lot of stuff like this that's highly processed has an aftertaste, so I would stick with the Modern Pantry whole milk. This just has ingredients of milk and vitamin D3, highly rated, and you get a lot. Be sure to refrigerate after opening.
Another Dollar Tree hidden gem are their European cookies. These are so good, and Dollar Tree got these brand new jars that really remind me of Williams-Sonoma. These are huge, and they are only $5 each. They are food safe. I can stack up some cookies inside. This totally gives a bakery done on a complete dime, just $3. I got some white mugs from Dollar Tree just because I liked how simple and cohesive it made the entire space look, and their size is awesome. The Dollar Tree bins fit absolutely perfect in this drawer, and I knew it would be a great spot to store all of my coffee. In the bottom drawer, I decided to store plates and some rags. This one turned out as one of my favorites, I think. Do you see what I'm saying about the lighting? I actually thrifted all of these plates. I'm storing my coffee inside. And speaking of thrifting, you can find so many really cool coffee items. This was just one day at Goodwill. I find this amazing French press for just a couple of dollars. Have you tried these glass pour over coffee makers? These are so elevated, make a great gift idea. And I know this one doesn't look great, but these are $50 at Williams-Sonoma. All you have to do is clean this one up. The thrift store is so awesome. Soap and water friends. I thrifted this container, this plant. I mean, look how beautiful this is. This actually makes me want to make an amazing cup of joe. And when it comes to espresso machines, go on Facebook Marketplace. Lots of these are brand new in box. You can sometimes get up to 50% off machines, especially if you're really into coffee or you want to try your hand at making your own. I got a really good deal during the big spring sale on this espresso machine. I mean, you know how much I love the Dollar Tree, but if I'm going to be getting deals on things, I want to share with you where I actually got them and what I'm using and what's actually working. So I put this machine right in the center, and then I went through and added thrifted items and also some of my Dollar Tree finds. One of my favorite things that Dollar Tree brought back into store are their super cute frames. So I took some of the canvas art and put it inside this round frame, and then I took some nano dots to stick this right up on the wallpaper. I think it gives it such a whimsical touch. If you're looking to save counter space, this is also a great place in the bottom section to put a microwave. This frees up a lot of room in the kitchen, and I love how this one looks super retro. What I love about this coffee bar is it totally freed up so much room in the kitchen. I am definitely still learning this, like figuring out tamping, frothing milk, and the little details that actually make a good cup of espresso. But there's something really refreshing about trying something new and just letting yourself be a beginner again. I think sometimes we wait until we feel ready or confident, but honestly, I think the best is to figure it out as you go. I've heard it said before to do it scared. Whether it's something like this or a DIY project in your home or just a small change, it's fun to step outside your comfort zone a little bit. So while I can't say I've totally perfected the art of espresso, all right, I'll just be honest, I definitely have a long way to go. I do think that the inspiration next to the final results I can feel really proud about.
If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up and a comment down below, my beautiful friend. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.